Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my second Halloween tutorial of the season. So for this look, I don't really know actually what to call it as I'm recording this right now. I'm still trying to figure out a title for this, but I saw a picture on Pinterest that I will pop up and I thought that it was just like a really cool makeup concept, and so I wanted to recreate it, but it kind of reminds me of just like this almost like nothing, like this black abyss, maybe like a boogeyman type of vibe. Actually, now that I'm looking back over this footage, I'm kind of getting like the Crow vibes. Like if you guys saw that movie, I think it was like back in the 90s, The Crow. I don't, for some reason, like the makeup kind of gives me those vibes. So I don't know, maybe that wasn't my intent, but now that I'm looking at this, it's kind of what it's reminding me of for some reason. But this makeup tutorial is super easy to do. I pretty much only used black eyeshadow for the entire look, so if you don't have a lot of product, this is really easy to recreate. I'm starting off by doing my brows, sculpting them out. I put a little bit of concealer on my eyes and set that as a base because since we are going to be going in with a lot of dark product, you just want to make sure you have like a good base so that the shadow just sticks to and it really pops out. And now I'm going to be going in with foundation and pretty much doing like as if I was doing like a regular makeup routine. I'm just using the foundation that matches my face. I'm going in with my Real Techniques buffing brush and then going in with my Real Techniques blending sponge and just doing like a regular foundation routine. I did end up putting concealer on my under eyes, which looking back at it now, I don't really know why I did that because I just went over it with black eyeshadow, so it really defeated the purpose. You guys can honestly skip this step, but I just decided to pop this in the tutorial just to show you guys kind of like step by step what I'm doing. But yeah, definitely looking back on this now, this was super pointless. Okay, so moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be starting off by going in with, this is technically a gel eyeliner. I believe this is the Maybelline gel eyeliner in the shade Blackest to Black. This is really good if you're wanting to do like a deep smoky eye because it's going to really give you that intensity. And so I'm just taking a flat definer brush and spreading that all over my lid. The best part about this Halloween look is you do not have to be precise whatsoever. This can be like as messy as you want. So after I go ahead and put the gel eyeliner all over my eye, I'm going in with just a super black eyeshadow, packing it on to kind of set that gel eyeliner, and then be taking a fluffy blending brush and blending out the edges, adding more eyeshadow, blending out the edges, kind of winging it out. As you can see, like I said, it does not have to be perfect at all, and that's why I love doing these type of looks. And now I'm adding a wing to the look. The picture that I'm going off of, she had a really long wing. You can do this if you want, or you can like leave it blank, up to you. I just went in and used the same gel eyeliner for a wing, blending it out and just going back and forth until I have the depth that I want. So moving on to the lower lash line, I am just taking a black eyeliner, any black eyeliner will do, and I'm running it all along my waterline and into my lash line. And then I'm just going to be setting it with, I think I used a little bit of gel eyeliner just to kind of go on top of it because I wanted this to be super, super black. And then setting it with that same black eyeshadow so that it doesn't move. And now I'm taking more of that gel eyeliner and really dragging it down as far as I can go. Be sure to be really careful with this process because you are tugging on your under eye, and that is a very delicate area as far as like skin goes. So just be careful as far as like roughness that you are on your under eye. So yeah, same thing. I'm going to be taking the gel eyeliner, dragging it down, setting it with an eyeshadow, and just really kind of taking that eyeshadow, smoking it out around the edges, really dragging it out, as you can see. So yeah, I did that on both of my eyes. And now I am taking a liquid liner, which you will see that I end up going back in with the gel eyeliner because I didn't like how the liquid liner was turning out. But I'm just kind of creating some veins that are kind of running down through my eyes. So yeah, this is the part where I switched over to the gel eyeliner. I'm using a super, super fine definer brush. I believe I got this from Morphe. It's a really, really fine brush, so it's perfect for drawing these veins. And I'm just being creative with the process. There's no right or wrong way to do this. That's one of the main reasons I like doing these type of looks. So for my mouth, once again, I'm doing the exact same process as I did with my eyes. I'm taking that gel eyeliner, running it all along my lips. Now, I don't know if this is the best product to maybe be putting on your mouth, but it worked, so use at your own discretion, I guess. But yeah, I'm filling out my lips, and then I'm kind of drawing like a line on either side of my mouth and just kind of running it up towards my cheeks, and then just kind of blending it out with the gel liner to like, I guess, the wideness that I want. And then I'm going to be blending it out with a black eyeshadow and just kind of going back and forth. And then I'm going to do the same process I did with the veins on my eyes. I'm going to be kind of doing that on my mouth and just kind of tying everything together. Okay, so this part I regret doing. I don't even know why I did it, honestly, but I put some highlighter on my nose and then on my cheekbones, but after I did that, I did not like how it looked at all. The color was off. It was super frosty. Yeah, it just didn't look right, so I maybe wouldn't recommend doing highlighter. You totally can if you want to, though, but I tried to blend it out as much as I could, but I don't really like how that part turned out. So yeah, anyways, now moving on back to my eyes, I'm putting some mascara on my lashes, just a black mascara. That way my lashes blend in with the black eyeshadow and you can't really see anything. That's the point. We're blacking out everything. That is the point of this look. So yeah, that is the end of this tutorial. Super easy, straight to the point, minimal products. I hope you guys enjoyed this spooky boogeyman black abyss tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.